We're at the very first Salvation Army Red Shield of Pearl motorcycle event, which has been held at the Maxwell Bowling Club. And this is to sum up the bikes that have turned up for this, the inaugural event. So they range from your usual range at Harleys here. So I'll have a look along the line at Harleys, Triumphs, a few other things in there, Boulevards. So this is the inaugural event held in July at the Nambucca Heads Bowling Club. This is some of the bikes here. We move across to later bikes like Ninjas here, Boulevards, Harleys, the classic bikes there, some classic bikes there. We've got an R1 Yamaha up here next to the GSXR, a couple of Triumphs in the background there, and of course the people that just rode along. Nice Suzuki there, or a couple of nice Suzukis there. So this is some of the bikes. We move across to a Ducati here, Ducati Monster. And just if anyone's around this area, remember 4th of November 2023, there's a WLA, lovely WLA. The owner there brings that one out every now and again for things like Anzac Day. And then over here we've got the RC390, lovely little bike, Triumph Bonnie 750 there in the background, Gullwing there, and of course we've got the Honda here, the lovely 754 K2, the Yamaha Diversion, not a real common one in the background there. So these are the type of bikes that you probably would get to see if you came to the show on the 4th of November 2023 at the Maxwell Showground. And this one's in aid of the Salvation Army, and we thank Shannon's the sponsor, one of the sponsors there, and of course Nambucca Heads Bowling Club done a great job there in assisting. Hit the like button, tell us about a bike show or bikes in your area and how these bike shows can raise money for charity.